Let's make some chapper. Yeah. Napenda chapo, napenda chapati, napenda chapo. That's pumpkin plus flour. We mix together. We mix. Yeah, let's mix together. Keep mixing and mixing until it pepper more, and then add some water or flour if it's not enough. If it's hard, add some water. If it's soft, add some flour, and then keep mixing. Yeah, you can add some flour to make sure it's fine. Yeah, yeah, like that. Swagger, you can use a spoon or some winkle. It's almost ready. I think nice ready. Look how soft it is. Wow, so colorful, so sweet. And then roll them round. And now you can pair. Now that's how we kanda. Yeah, can add some flour or oil. Yeah, you slap that. You slap and it's fine. You kanda or you roll it down. After you kanda it or roll it, make sure fire is ready. Make sure the fire is ready. So you can put your chapatis on the pan or you can use firewood stove or anything. For me, I'm gonna use firewood. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Look at it. Soft chapati. So sweet. Add some fire. Now my chapati is cooking. Now that's the first one. You can reduce the fire so it cannot burn. Look at that. So nice. So dim rice. I love it. So sweet. And look at so colorful. I wanted a round shell, but it's fine. Now we continue with everything. I'm making like more than 30 chapatis. And now let me do as fast as I can. Yeah. Look at that. Mama mpishi. Mama. Tin 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 tin. Bum 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 bam bam. Dun 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 bum bum bam. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Now I'm almost done. That's almost the last one. Like almost 10 remaining. Let's go. Boom, 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 da, do, da, 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 da. I use oil mostly. Dun, da, dun, da, 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 dun, dun, da, dun, dun, da. Look at that. Look at that. So nice. So nice. Add another one. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Slap it. You slap it. Yeah, dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, napenda chapo. Dun, dun, napenda chapo. Actually, this is one of my favorite meals. Chapati with nyama shoma. Look at that one. So nice. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Almost done though. Wow. on top of the chapati. On top. I had to make sure there's fire enough, and if it's a lot, I have to reduce it so my chapatis don't burn at all. Yeah, and I have some more over there in case I get dirty. So I'm almost done. So, but I'm so tired at this point because doing that, using that takes a lot of time, but it's cool. Boom, 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 boom. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. And finally, it's done. Oh my god, this is a lot. We have like 2 plates of this. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. The best chef ever. If you're looking for chef to hire, I'm here. I'm ready. I'm available. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And you can serve with either meat, chicken, beans. We love chapo madondo or kachumbari and what? And kachumbari, not kachumbari, smocha, smoky.